Yeah, guys, today I will be telling you about how you can move to Japan and live in Japan, with your family without spending your money. So, by the way, if you want to know, Japan is one of the greatest country you can ever think of. I mean, before Fukushima earthquake, Japan used to be the first leading country in the world, the richest country, and the most technologically driven country in the world. And still now it remains one of the most technologically driven country in the world. Yeah, so I'll be telling you about how you can move to Japan without spending any of your money, and how you can move to Japan free of cost. So I'll be taking you through job search, which I'm gonna be dropping this link anyway. Yeah, so this the link I'm gonna drop is here, and or rather, I will drop the link with the visa sponsorship job. So if you just come here, you can actually search your job with the keyword. So you can just say visa sponsorship, okay? And if you do that, you just type search. So whatever job it gives you here are jobs that have got visa sponsorship because we've tried to filter it. Okay, so I will take you through some of the jobs and you see the requirements and how you can apply for these jobs. So yeah, let's take this job. English instructor. This is in Tokyo. Oh, what has happened? Yeah. Okay, I've already clicked. So you can see the company is Nova Co Limited, and this is located in Tokyo. And this job is posted 2 days ago, 23rd. And education, this industry is education, okay, or teaching. They need a teaching instructor, conventional English, and this contract entry level, and this is the salary, which is gonna be paid. Okay, yeah. So now let's open it. You can see there's a visa sponsorship available. English native level, Japanese none. Yeah, it's not really important if you speak Japanese or not. So, but you have to speak English up to native level because you're gonna be instructed on English, and they say social insurance enrollment no, but visa sponsorship yes. So they're gonna pay for your visa sponsorship. Okay. Well, you can just check out this place to see position instructor, contract type, independent contractor, 6 months or 1 year renewable. Okay, direct managed by Nova School all over Japan, teaching customer care and support, negotiation within blah 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 blah. So, but the beautiful thing is about the sponsorship. That's what I want you to see. So once you've seen it and you think it's something you want to do, then you can actually log in or register to apply. Okay. So if you have not registered, you just register or you log in. You can actually log in with Facebook or with Skype also. If you don't want to create an account, then you can apply for this job. Okay. I'll just go back to check out similar jobs. Yeah, this is also English instructor in Osaka. That's same company, Nova. So if you check out, they say all over Japan. So because they have other locations where they can actually post you. So you apply for either Tokyo, no, Osaka, or you can even apply for both. That's all fine. Yeah. So let's check out another job. Even though we filtered it, you may still get jobs being showing for people who reside in um, Japan. So just be careful, okay? This go beyond teaching English. So let's check it out. And it has got a good salary anyway. Yeah, so this was posted on 20th, and it's teaching instructor, full-time entry level, got good salary. You can convert it to see how much it is, a lot of money, right? So then entry level. Let me just convert it by the way before we just say it's a lot of money so that you can see what it is. Yeah. Um, okay, there's the correct amount. Yeah, so I will just go back. So if you check out this, you'll see that there is visa sponsorship available, and you can see the salary is fairly okay. There are other things, benefits which are associated with this, which you can actually check out. So you can go through them because I just want to show you the jobs. You can see benefits, broader link ALT enjoy a range of benefit and support, including a wide range of location nationwide, including some of Japan's biggest cities, enrollment in the social insurance system, um, help with security, securing a rental car, personalized friendship assistant with handling tax forms, visa renewal, blah blah blah. So you can just go through them and see all the benefit. Okay, yeah. So and how to apply, you can see information on how to apply. You can actually log in here. Please apply directly to the job post with your career letter attached, or visit our website. We carefully screen every application, and you can see all the stuffs. Okay, so you just come here and do your application. So that is it. I'll go through maybe a few more. You can see most of the jobs which have visa sponsorship. All Most of the English instruction or English instructor jobs, they need people with visa sponsorship. There are other jobs too which require visa sponsorships, which are not just English teachers. So it all depends on how lucky you are and if you apply on time, and you got to get a well-tailored CV to apply for this job. So this is quite important for you to do. You must be able to check out what the CV for people, I mean, in Japan, what the CV looks like. You can actually use Google to get this done. Then, if you do this with Google, then you're good to go, right? Yeah, this is kindergarten teacher. There's also a sponsor job, and see their salary is actually good enough, even higher than the previous one we've seen, probably because they're kindergarten teachers. So you can also apply for that job. Okay. Yeah, most of the job are English teaching. I just want to get a job which is not in teaching position, so that you can also check it out and apply. But if you've got qualification in teaching English, then that is fine for you, and it's an opportunity for you to move to Japan. One thing about Japan is it is well civilized country. They are very fully developed, and they have a lot of high technology. Okay, so if it is a place where if you go to, you will really enjoy the environment. You enjoy the salary. The salary may not be as high as what you may get in US, and you may, some places like in some part of like Australia, Canada, or even Europe, like Germany rather. But still in Japan, there are good salaries and fairly good work environment. Okay, so you can see for this also there is visa sponsorship, which is also good for you. See, and the salary is much higher and still negotiable, which means they can actually give you a little more than what this is. So that looks good. Yeah. We're looking for a teacher who has teaching experience with young children, is acclimated, accustomed to preschool environment, is flexible to changes and new challenges, is a team player and works well with others, is open minded, ongoing, and motivated, is well organized, and has a professional manner, can play, develop, and implement curriculum for students aged mainly from 1 to 10 years old. And qualification is educational background, bachelor's degree in education, early childhood education, nursery, elementary education, strongly preferable receive final education in North America, US, and Canada. So those are guys who have more advantage, but then without being in these places or studying these places, you're also good to go. So those are all the requirements, and the application procedure is also the same. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Um, if you come and register with Galgport job, you can always come here to check your application which you've made. And if you have an application which is successful, you can be able to see the status, or you can see invitations and stuff like that. So this way you can build your resume. So apart from this too, Japan has opportunity to move with tech jobs, and not just tech job alone, but skills, other skills skills like outside tech, which are like air conditioner, refrigeration, HVAC system, aircraft maintenance, truck maintenance, and all that. Those are all skills you can actually use to move to Japan, even truck drivers and all that. So, guys, I will wrap it up here, and I hope that this video helps you. Don't forget to like it, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Thank you. Cheers.